Hey friends, welcome back to your channel. Today we are going to talk about some magical DIY face packs using yogurt, which will help for skin whitening and instant glow. There are many benefits of yogurt for skin. Yogurt is a good source of vitamin B12 and B2, along with the lactic acid and zinc, which exfoliates the skin and encourage new cells growth. Being a source of protein and fats, it contains high amount of calcium which helps in lightening and brightening the skin. It reduces dark spots, wrinkles, large pores of skin, fine lines, hyperpigmentation, damage from the skin, and treats skin from infections, acne and scars. It has bleaching properties which brightens our skin naturally and reduces signs of skin aging. It also moisturizes our skin which gives silky texture. Let us see those DIY face packs using yogurt. First is yogurt and Fuller's Earth face pack. Fuller's Earth is also called as Multani Mitti. This face pack is specifically meant for oily skin. Fuller's Earth is good for any skin type as it helps to soften the skin. It improves blood circulation, removes dark spots, blemishes, etc. Due to its absorbent properties, it helps to remove excess oil from the skin. So what we will do is mix 2 teaspoons of plain yogurt and 2 teaspoons of Fuller's Earth in a bowl. If you have dry skin already, then it is recommended to add honey in it. Mix it properly so there won't be any lumps. Cleanse your face and pat it dry. Apply this face pack evenly on your face, baring your eyebrows. Keep it for 15 minutes and wash it off with normal water. You may repeat this remedy twice in a week. Second one is yogurt and turmeric face pack. Turmeric prevents the production of melanin, the pigment responsible for dark spots and other kinds of hyperpigmentation. With regular use of turmeric, can help these blemishes fade away naturally to give skin a more even-toned appearance. This face pack is specifically beneficial if you have dry or itchy skin. How to make it? Take 2 teaspoons plain yogurt and 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric. Mix it well and apply it on your face and neck area. Massage it for 5 minutes and let it be on your face for 10 to 15 minutes. You can wash it with normal water. You may repeat this once in a week. Next one is yogurt and honey face pack. Antioxidant rich honey regenerates and hydrates our skin, while yogurt promotes a natural glow by softening and gently exfoliating the skin. If you have oily skin, add some oat milk to the face mask to clarify and absorb excess oil from the T-zone. Yogurt and honey are extremely effective in moisturizing the skin. Additionally, yogurt also helps in cleansing. To make a face pack, take 2 teaspoons of yogurt, add 1 teaspoon of honey, mix it well and form a smooth paste. Apply the mask and keep it for 10 minutes. After that, you may rinse it with lukewarm water. You may repeat this remedy once in a week. Next one is yogurt and gram flour face pack. This face pack will help you to treat acne and acne causing infections with zinc found in gram flour. This will be a great way to remove tan, oiliness, facial hair and dirt. And it will give you a glow and offer blemish free skin. Let us see how to do it. Take 1 teaspoon of gram flour, 1/4 teaspoons of turmeric or 2-3 drops of lemon juice and 1 and 1.5 teaspoons of yogurt. Make it fine paste combining all these ingredients. Now apply the mask in round motion. Let it dry completely. Then after you may wash it with cold water. You may repeat this remedy twice in a week. So these were some face packs with an amazing benefits of yogurt for skin whitening. Let us know whether you found it useful. For more such videos, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.